Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video, kind of show you the background behind this kind of homemade hitch box on the Honda Odyssey here. So this is just I got it on used, I think for 75 bucks, but it's just a 5-foot wide, better built brand, but you can find all sorts of brands out there. If I had to do it again, I'd probably go with black, but this is what I had available at the time. This is the style, it's called actually a chest style. It's made to fit inside the back of a pickup truck between the frame rails, but it works really well in this application. So in my case, I just have a hitch on the Odyssey, of course, coming out. And then this back here is actually another trailer hitch for a Honda Odyssey. It's just one I had laying around, but I just put kind of a male-to-male hitch connector in there with an anti-rattle device to clamp everything down. And then that just mounts to the bottom of the box here. And it ends up working really well. You can notice So you'll notice it gives you a ton of extra storage space. We just got back from a trip to Myrtle Beach and stuff, so we have all of our sand toys and boogie board and extra toys. We have lawn chairs and scooters and everything, sleeping bags. I think we have a whole air mattress and stuff down in there. Four different scooters. It ends up being super helpful when you have a large family traveling. And the nice thing is too, you can shut it, you can lock it, and it's out of sight, out of mind. So, and this actually comes up to just below the license plate, below the tail lights. So everything is completely legal, and honestly, just bolt up in about 4 minutes and you can be on your way. You'll notice too that there's a gap here. I thought about kind of closing this gap and bringing this closer together, but it works out really nice with the hitch, or the hatch. So right now, if you'll notice, as this opens, it actually clears just barely the lip of that. So then not only can you access all the stuff you have in your back of your Odyssey, you can also access all the stuff in your back of your bin. So also the other benefit is it doesn't hit your fuel economy at all. So being behind your vehicle, it's out of the wind as opposed to the roof boxes, and you don't take any hit. The only downfall is you got to be a little bit careful with your approach and departure angles, going in and out of kind of steep driveways, steep parking lots. Every once in a while, we'll drag that back corner. So I might modify that and cut that lip off to get a little bit of extra departure angle there. But overall, for the $100 bucks or whatever they have in materials, it's been really helpful and nice for long trips. So hope this gives you an idea. Maybe you can do something similar on your vehicle. Take care.